Hi there, I'm Eric Tate, and today I'm counting down the top 10 parlor tricks available on Penguin Magic. And stick around to the end of the video to find out the trick I performed on stage with world champion magician Sean Farquhar. Knife Through Arm by the amazing Johnathan starts this list at number 10. You wield a giant butcher knife and then slice into your own arm with lots of blood pouring from the wound. Saw back and forth for a few moments and then pull the knife out and your arm is miraculously healed. The knife through arm is usually just a Halloween prop, but the amazing Johnathan put some real thought into this so that the blade and handle integrate in such a way that audiences don't see the blade magically grow in length when the illusion begins. This one is more for comedy and bizarre performers, but the knife was exactingly crafted on the actual blade loaned to Penguin by Johnathan himself. It's arguably the Cadillac of knife through arm gimmicks, and each one is not just a piece of magic for parlor, but also a tribute to one of the greatest comedy magicians to ever walk the stage. Let's take a look at number 9. Pocket Nightmare by Maven is a stunning piece of mentalism where you have an audience peek into a deck and remember a card. You then click your fingers and announce that you have made their thought of card vanish. The audience actually spread through the deck themselves and the card is truly gone. That's when you reveal that the card has materialized in your pocket. Maven, one of the greatest mentalists the world has ever seen, first performed this effect on stage at FISM and destroyed with it. Because of the way the deck is gaffed, it was a real nightmare to produce when it was first created. Thanks to modern manufacturing methods, we've been able to reproduce the deck to Max's standards and make it more deceptive than ever before. It is a killer effect and a great alternative to the invisible deck, especially when you use the hook that you'll perform the trick with only one hand. Be sure to watch the demo on this. It's an uncut performance of Max doing this trick in the P3 Magic Theater, and it gets a huge reaction. Before we go any further, let me introduce myself. I'm Eric Tate, one of the teachers and performers here at Penguin Magic. Do me a favor, hit those like and subscribe buttons and ring that bell so you'll be notified whenever we put up new videos like this. More and more magicians these days are transitioning from close-up magic to stage, especially now that there are more venues than ever to perform in. Whether you're trying your hand at performing at your local open mic night or you're looking for your next big reaction at a talent show, there's definitely a trick for you on this list that will help you make your magic bigger than ever before. Let's get back to the list and see what I have at number 8. Hook is probably the most shocking trick on this list, and it's the definition of pack small and play huge. You display a fish hook and 4 strings to your audience. That fish hook goes in your mouth. One by one, audience members yank on the strings until only one remains. Impossibly, it's the only string that's been tied to the hook. This trick has been featured on national and international television shows and usually makes the rounds on social media when someone performs it for a celebrity. It's surprisingly safe and gets massive reactions. Now let's find out what made number 7 on my list. Executive Pad is a utility device for mentalists and performers who need to secretly switch something written by the audience for a pre-written list or a set of numbers to force a particular value. This type of pad has been fairly common in mentalism for decades, but now the Executive Pad is in a smaller form factor that looks more like a pad you would pick up at a hotel or conference center. You can use this deceptive little device to switch in a known list of words or have your audience write down a random group of numbers, then switch it for a number that reveals today's date or the serial number on a bill. It's a fantastic device that can form the core of any routine that you want to make play large enough on a stage. Time to take a look at number 6. The Awakening by Dan Harlan is a rope trick that I have relied upon for years as an opener in my show. You display 3 pieces of rope, one short, one medium, one long. Instantly, they change sizes so that they are the same length. Then just as magically, they change back to being 3 different sizes. This may sound like the classic Professor's Nightmare effect to you, but the difference is that in both conditions, the ropes can be separated and your hands displayed open. The method on this is extremely clever, and the way the gimmick is designed, it's almost impossible to drop it or expose it to your audience. Dan did this trick for years in the P3 Theater and fooled the heck out of me with it. I normally don't like rope tricks because they look like a puzzle, but this is such a clean, clear effect that it has to be on the list. Let's get to the top half of the list with number 5. Executive Clip by Chris Funk is a modern update to an old switching device that could be found in some of the old mentalism texts. A billet, dollar bill, or playing card is gripped by a bulldog clip. This is your prediction. After the audience makes a series of choices, you remove the object from the clip and reveal your prediction was correct. This is much like Executive Pad in that it is a utility device that gives you lots of options for routines to add to your parlor show. The big innovation here is the use of magnets instead of elastics or rubber bands. Without revealing the method too much, this makes it more reliable and durable, a key quality in any device you'll be using on a larger stage where the stakes are higher. Now it's time to reveal number 4. Flip by Wes Iseli is one of the most convincing ways to predict or alter the outcome of a coin flip. He fooled Penn and Teller with it so badly that they added it to their own show. Talk about pack small and play huge. This can be done with nothing more than $50. The method is deeply fooling while still being dirt simple. You can use this for a prediction, but Wes has a really clever way of using it to force an individual member of the audience, even if there are thousands of people in attendance. And if you aren't a parlor performer, this works in close-up too. Flip really is a method that every magician should know and have in their back pocket. Time to get into my top 3. Repetition by Nate Kranzo, the Kranzilla himself, is a great take on the 6-card repeat plot that only uses 4 cards and has a kicker ending. You display 4 queens with blue backs, and one by one you toss away each of the blue-backed queens only to discover that they have returned to your hand. Once you've tossed the 4th one away, everyone is surprised to see that suddenly all of the backs have turned to red. Another great trick that plays up and out. All of the magic moments happen near your face, and the cards do most of the work for you. Card repeat plots usually suffer from not having an ending, so the color change at the end makes this one really stand out. It's also super affordable, so if you're looking to get that first little bit of stage time and you don't know what to try, repetition is an easy win for anyone who is new to a larger stage. Now let's take a look at what I have at number 2. Big Headline by Dave Kaplan is the biggest trick on the list and the closest thing you can get to a full stage illusion that can fit inside your jacket pocket. You start by pulling out scraps of torn newspaper, then suddenly the scraps of paper fuse together into a fully restored newspaper. The paper unfolds, doubling in size. It then doubles in size again, and then again, getting bigger and bigger until it covers the entire performer. Suddenly, the newspaper drops and a completely different person is standing on stage. Kaplan and Lucy Darling teach you everything you need to know about performing this incredible effect. If you need to produce a CEO or guest of honor at your next event, this is just the ticket. You don't need to produce a person or do a person switch with it. Kaplan often uses the growing newspaper as a gag in an homage to Buster Keaton. I have one of these in my case and use it at any opportunity I can. A few years ago, I was performing at the IBM convention in Tacoma with world champion of magic Sean Farquhar, and we did this illusion together. We got a crazy reaction from a room full of magicians who did not see it coming. Big Headline is awesome and you should check it out. Now it's time to find out what I have in the top spot. Starcle by Dan Harlan is a charming, fooling, and creates a truly magical atmosphere. You produce a paper napkin, you fold it up while telling a story about the moon and the stars. You tear off a piece of the napkin. Actually, your spectator tears the piece off themselves. When you unfold the napkin, you reveal that you have torn a perfect circle in the napkin. But when your spectator unfolds the torn piece, it's not a circle at all, it's a star. I have seen dozens of performers bring audiences to the verge of tears with this trick. It's arguably one of Dan's most brilliant pieces of magic. It has a built-in story and only requires a paper napkin to perform. It's really great to perform with a kid or even as a piece in one to end your show with a piece of truly captivating magic. It's another great trick that plays great close-up, but you get a lot of mileage out of it in a parlor format. That's it. Those are my favorite parlor tricks that you can get right here on Penguin Magic. Do me a favor, let me know in the comments your favorite parlor tricks and any that I may have missed and that should have made the list. I read each and every one of these comments, and I also want to know the other types of lists you want me to count down. As one of the in-house magicians here at Penguin Magic, I've experienced performing all of these tricks for real audiences, and we make these buying guides so that you can stop scrolling endless pages of tricks and start finding the magic that's perfect for you to get jaw-dropping reactions right away. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.